How to get a Schengen visa. If you're planning to travel to Europe and need a Schengen visa, this guide is for you. In this video, we'll cover the process step by step, ensuring you understand everything you need to get your visa approved without complications. Whether you're a first-time applicant or seeking a smoother experience, let's dive straight in. First, confirm if you need a Schengen visa. Citizens of certain countries don't require one, so check the official Schengen visa website or your destination country's embassy page. Next, decide your main destination. You'll apply at the embassy or consulate of the country where you'll spend the most time or where your first entry point is, in case of equal stays. Now, gather your documents. You'll need 1. A valid passport with at least 2 blank pages and validity of 3 months beyond your intended departure. 2. A completed Schengen visa application form, which you can download from the embassy's website. 3. 2 recent passport-sized photos that meet the Schengen visa requirements. 4. Proof of travel insurance covering at least €30,000 in medical expenses, valid for the entire Schengen area. 5. A confirmed travel itinerary, including flight bookings and hotel reservations, or an invitation letter from a host. 6. Proof of financial means, such as bank statements for the past 3 months or a sponsorship letter. 7. Employment verification, a letter from your employer or proof of self-employment. Once you have everything ready, book an appointment at the relevant embassy or visa center. Submit your documents and attend a biometric data capture, fingerprints, and photograph. Be prepared for an interview where you may be asked about your travel plans, purpose of visit, and finances. Pay the application fee, typically €80 for adults, and keep the receipt for tracking purposes. Processing times usually range from 15 to 30 days, so apply at least 1 month before your trip. Some countries allow applications up to 6 months in advance. Finally, once approved, verify the details on your visa for accuracy. If denied, you can appeal the decision or reapply after addressing the issues. Following these steps ensures a smooth application process, bringing you closer to your European adventure. That's it. For more travel tips, subscribe and let us know your questions in the comments.